Thank you very much, Michael, for the introduction. We're MEV NFT. We're MEV protection for NFTs. Let me share my screen. So what actually happens when you place a bid on a collection? Well, for this unlucky buyer, an arbitrageur saw his transaction in the mempool and profited 180 ETH by selling it to the less sophisticated buyer. And if you look at the life cycle of an NFT, during each stage, you have numerous attack vectors. During the mint process, you have minor bribing and gas wars. During the holding process, you have phishing attacks. And during the transfer, you have MEV arbitrage and wash trading. Let's look at some real-world examples. You've maybe heard of the catastrophic Other Deeds launch, which burned over $5 million in failed gas transactions. Bill Murray recently launched an NFT charity, and immediately the funds got stolen after the launch. And MEV arbitrage is the beginning, disadvantages of the less sophisticated buyer. And the numbers. The minting, we estimate, just for like some popular projects, around burning more than $55 million just for failed transactions. This could have been avoided if you mint through, for example, flashbots. And if you look at phishing, in the last year, over $100 million worth of NFTs got publicly reported as stolen just in the last year. And we estimate MEV for NFTs at around $10 million. So we looked at the possible solution for these problems, and to make it easier for the consumers, we invented a one-click solution for Flashbots, so you don't have to change the RPC in MetaMask. We use machine learning-based algorithms to provide trust scores for addresses and wallets. And all in all, we provide an API access for businesses and consumers. Imagine you're a wallet provider and you want to filter out all the scam NFTs in your wallet. We're MEV NFT, the full suite solution to counter scams and MEV in NFTs. Let's give a small demo. So in MetaMask Flask, you can connect to MEV NFT, and once you're connected, you have some insights. So let's say you are not sure about the NFT, you buy it or not. With our new extension, you can actually simulate the transaction and can see if there's any critical events in the transaction. And if you're on a website and you want to make sure that you're at the correct website and that you're looking into the project, we provide valuable insights like a trust score, historic MEV activity, historic phishing activity. Let's compare this to the Other Deeds NFT. You can see that the historic MEV activity is much higher, and yeah, just one example. And here's the one-click solution, just one button, and you would mint or buy privately, so in case the transaction fails, you won't lose gas. And if you want to launch your NFT project, we provide a developer SDK. We've analyzed over 22 million NFT transactions, and we are excited for even more. And we're turning heads. We won 7 out of 7 hackathons. The number is actually wrong. It's 8. We just won an East San Francisco prize from June. And we partnered with Pometry, who are doing algorithmic detections of like wash trading and EigenFi, which label the transactions on Etherscan. This is like a small label for MEV, so look out for that. We started our beta. We're still early. We have around 30 beta testers, and we presented at DEF CON. Our team is very technical. It is led by 3 experienced MEV researchers, with Peters, my co-founder, with a background in EVM security, with our advisor Julian, who's doing his PhD in network security at the UC Berkeley and published an independent paper about MEV research, and myself with a technical and machine learning background. We're raising 1.6 million for a 2-year runaway hiring, data engineering, strategic hiring, and research application. If you're interested, feel free to reach out. We're excited to hear from you. Thank you very much.